Welcome to Da Nang. It is nice and dry today. Beautiful. And yeah, it did not rain any today. If it stays like this, we are on the good side. We're gonna go and check out the beach right now. Just we do every day here on this channel. Pavements and beaches. P and B. Just like Philip. Shout out to Philip. It's a beautiful Sunday today, and yeah, the streets are busy, but not too busy, I would say. It's just a nice, calm day, again, just like every day here. But it's also right between Christmas and New Year, and yeah, there's not much going on, I think. But there will be lots of places have big events during New Year. So how are you gonna spend your New Year's? Comment below. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. First we thought we were gonna live stream, but I don't know. I still don't know what we're gonna do. It's always the same thing, right? The last 3 years I've been to Esco Beach, but this year maybe I will still go and check it out. We talked to the owner, Christoph, and he's a super nice guy. And they also remodeled a lot there. I'm not sure if it's too much for me. To be honest, maybe I'm just too old for New Year, but like a big party, I'm not into the mood for that. I would rather have something quiet. Maybe dinner, and then at 12:15, I'm gonna go home and sleep. But yeah, usually wherever there are events the whole night, after that everyone will end up in the beer street or in the bar street, the pub street, and it's usually very packed everywhere, especially late hours. So some parts of motorbikes here. I don't know what this is. Oh, what is he doing? Huh. Yeah, beautiful Lexi. That's the one. That's the only bike I can drive. This bike is my size, somehow. I don't know why. The PCX is somehow smaller than this, even though it's the same size. But somehow the seat, you can sit a little bit in the back, and that's the perfect thing. My friend in Thailand has a PCX, and he has a modified seat. So the seat is not shaped like a butt, it's like flat. So they flatten it out and have a custom seat. So he has more space on it. He's the same height as me, and it works very well. And I could imagine I could get someone here in Da Nang or in Vietnam to make me a seat like this as well, because they have so many seat makers here, and yeah, it's pretty simple to do this in every city in Da Nang, in Vietnam, I think. Every big city should have something like that. I saw a few of those seat makers, or in German, that's the German word for today, Sattler. Sattler, S-A-T-T-L-E-R. Yeah, Sattler. Lots of them are, hello, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh, I met so many lovely people here today already. Shout out to my New Zealand couple. I met Karen and his husband. Very nice. I think I'm gonna have my member meetups in January again. I think it's time. A lot of people are here. So if you want to become a member, press join or become a Patreon, and I will see you in January. I should do it every 2 weeks or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. How often should I do that? Last year I had it often, but I feel like I see everyone on the streets anyways. I don't need to do meetups, but maybe I should do it. Specific days. So here, they will not stop for you. You have to take a step, and then you have to look them into the eyes and walk. You know what? We're gonna go and check out Kala Kala today, the beach club. But first, we're gonna have a little bit of an update here on this beach, and then we're gonna go right to the Kala. And also, super interesting, the new beach club, whatever is happening over there. I want to see how it goes. I'm super excited to have more options even. So the beach here, okay, let's check it out, guys. It looks so different. Guys, I know you watching long time and you know this beach part we filmed so often. And it did not stop here. It's just like a cliff. It's a sad cliff with the roots of all those coconut trees. This is crazy. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how far it goes. Look at this. This is an umbrella or whatever. I don't exactly know. I think it's an umbrella thing. The whole beach club here is kind of not usable anymore. But they are also closed at the moment anyways. And as you can see here, they always have to paint it every year new. I think that this year it was like very nice shape. Everything was pretty nice and neat, and now it's already split away the paint. But yeah, that's normal, I guess, right in front of the ocean. All the salt. But check this out. The beach is narrow here and then it gets wide over there again. Why is that? Does anyone know? Why is it like that? A little bit of an update here. So this ghost tower is still not constructed, but they're building something next to it. And it also means all the, what is it called? Antung 1 apartments over there will not have sea view anymore. Or at least most of them. Also here, this was just installed. I filmed when they installed it. I filmed it just 6 months ago or so. And look at how, it's getting used a lot. It's good that they use it. But here it looks pretty nice. Let's check out the rainwater drainage over there. If it's in use or not. Graffiti. That's not very common. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, wow. There's water coming out here. That looks super toxic, dude. Ooh. It's not unbearable smell. It looks very terrible and it does not smell as it looks. It smells, okay, now I get, now it came. Now it smells very bad. Oh my God. Oh God. Now I'm a little bit nauseous. Look at this. Jet skis here. So used. I'm not sure if they use it still or not. But yeah, this is the place of interest here, guys. This is the place of interest. It's looking like a very deep pool. A very deep pool, and I'm not sure what this is next to it. Maybe another pool. Maybe a children's pool. Very interesting. I'm super excited. This could be a very nice place. But I feel like they need to build a wall. They need to build a wall. But Mexico will not pay for it. But I don't know who's gonna pay for it. But they have to build a wall somehow. Because think about it. They will probably do something. Maybe they have a bar here. A bar or a wall. This building is pretty nice in shape. Maybe they have this still. I mean, this could be so nice. I mean, it will be nice. Think about it. All those nice coconut trees. Very nice. They should have a proper nightclub here, not only a karaoke bar. This is also such a waste of rooftop space. I've never been upstairs and it always looks closed. It's so weird. It would be so amazing. Imagine having upstairs there a rooftop nightclub, loud, beautiful, and open air. That's the most important thing. Then it's not that loud, at least. And we have the outdoor church here. So for all my Christians, you can go here, there, and there. There's a Jesus statue there, and also there should be also something there. It's an outdoor church. Beautiful. Now let's check out the Cala Cala. It still has the Christmas decorations. Usually the Christmas decorations stay up until mid-January or so. Yeah. And I highly doubt these are proper trees. I think it's plastic. But yeah. So this is the divider of Cala Cala to the beach, to the street. Hello. Can I have a look? All right, guys. It's very busy, guys. Look at this. Very calm and nice. Hi. It's not perfect weather, but it's nice, to be honest. It's nice to relax here. Look at this pristine beach, pool, I mean. And then you have a seating over there, and also indoor. Yeah. And then you can go down. Usually they have more seats available over there. But we're actually gonna walk on the beach right now. This beach part is also swept away, guys. That does not look good, dude. No bueno. This is a little bit, I mean, I would say, from my memories, 2/3 of this beach is gone. 2/3 of this beach is gone. Very sad. Very bad for business for this little shop here. But at least they have still some seating over there. So if you don't like the loud Cala, I mean, Cala Cala is not loud at the moment. It's very calm, relaxed. But if you want to have less people, less crowd, come to this little shop here. It's pretty nice. It's of course not as fancy and pristine, but it's nice to sit over there. You can have a beautiful Vietnamese coffee. Beautiful. A coconut. Right over there. I forgot the name though. I will tell you whenever I see a sign. So this is very bad. The ocean took a lot already. I really hope this will not continue into January, February. Yeah, look at this. Now support your smaller shops here. Have a pint over here. Very nice. But you can also walk out again. Don't make it like a good German friend of mine, Indochina Micha, don't go in there. You take a bucket and wash yourself. This is not a pool. All right. Yeah, so this is the parking over here. I think it costs some dong to park here. But also be careful here. There's a sign of motorbike theft. Yeah. What happened the other day? The corgi is back. The corgi is back. The corgi is back, so everything went well. But yeah, this is how it looks today. I like it. Weather is perfect, to be honest. It's not too hot, not cool. It's a nice breeze. So if it stays like that, it's a win, definitely. Look at this pavement crack here. How did this happen? How did this happen here? What happened to this hole? Ah, this is the name, guys. VV Coffee. VV Coffee. It's right next to Kala Kala. It's a less fancy local spot. Kala Kala is beautiful, to be honest. I mean, it's so good that they built that. I'm so happy. So shout out to, I think it's an Australian dude. Shout out to whoever owns this Kala Kala thing. Great job. And now it's not that loud. I could even stay here. In the summer, it was a little bit too loud for me, but I'm an old cranky guy. I don't want to have loud music anymore. Maybe I should just use earplugs for everything. So I can also go to Vietnamese nightclubs then. This is a little bit of a beach entrance here. And then, of course, the seafood restaurant. I have not tried this out yet. They have huge seafood creatures there. But yeah. Oh, look at this. That looks beautiful. Can someone explain what this is? That looks very unusual. But it looks nice. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day and check out this video here. Nice. Bye-bye.